So welcome to Datai Bay in Langkawi, Malaysia. Datai Bay. There are two hotels, two resorts at the bay. One is the Andaman where I'm staying at the moment, and we're going to head over to the Datai. It's the other five-star resort. There's two five-star resorts, the Andaman and the Datai. So I'm going to take the Datai's wheels. Datai is sending their car over, and we're going to drive through NEL's golf course on the way. So we might see the NEL's golf course. Alright, so we might see NEL's on the way. We drive over from the Andaman to the Datai in Langkawi, Malaysia. Great place. Places. Great place. Alright, we'll see you at the Datai, which is Datai is just over there. Just there is the Datai. See the chairs on the beach? Yep, that's the Datai, alright? See there. The wheels. From the Andaman. Thank you. Thank you very much. Lovely stay. Thank you. Thanks.
See you again.
See you later. Yep.
Thank you.
Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you. Cool. Thanks. So it's about 7 minutes.
Yes.
Nice car, yeah?
Yes.
I didn't realize you had a Bentley.
Yeah, we do have the.
Okay.
This is the signature car for the Datai.
Yeah. Driving from the Andaman to the Datai. We go through the NEL's golf course, or that's the other side?
Oh, the other side.
Oh, that's the other side.
Yes.
Okay.
Was this your first time to go to the Datai?
First time at the Datai. Yeah, we've been to Langkawi before, so I've stayed at other places, but Datai first time, and Andaman first time at Datai Bay.
Oh,
First time.
I hope you do enjoy the.
Yeah, I'm sure we will. The bay is
view of
beautiful.
our beach, yes.
Yeah.
It used to be top 3 in the world.
Yeah, they said that even the bay is like on National Geographic.
Yes.
Top 10 in the world.
Top 10, yes.
Yeah. I think they must have found some other nice places to go from number 3 to number. nice to drive the car? It must be nice, yeah?
Yes. This place used to be the old Gulai house from the Andaman.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But now they are changing.
Gulai House is your restaurant, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
But it was used to be the Andaman Resort.
All right, okay.
So we are not going to the lobby. I'm gonna send you straight to your room.
Okay, so we're going straight to the beach villa, yeah?
Yes.
Perfect. So we do the check-in in the beach villa?
Yes.
All right, okay, great. Oh, so there's a separate entrance for the beach villa?
Yes. That's the way to go to the lobby.
So the lobby's further on. I
Yes.
see, okay. Right. Oh, there's a monkey. There's lots of monkeys. Do they come to the villas?
Yes,
They do?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Don't
Don't feed them.
Your windows and your door.
Okay. But they're harmless, yeah? We can play with them, yeah?
Yeah, you can play with them, but just not to be too close with them. Because sometimes if the big one is a bit naughty.
Okay.
This is the Gulai house.
Right.
Malaysian restaurant.
Okay. Sun is a great way to arrive.
Datai estate.
Okay.
In front of you we have the beach club, Mediterranean.
Mm-hmm.
And then your beach villa will be on your right side.
Normally people would walk along this path
Yes.
to go to the lobby and
You can call the buggy.
Okay,
and
okay,
this
okay.
is your butler.
Right. Yeah, okay, fine, thank you. Hello.
Welcome to Beach Villa.
Thank you. Thanks. Nice.
Welcome to Beach Villa.
The wheels. Hi. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks. That's what I call arriving in style. Yeah, that is what I call arriving in style. Bentley. Beautiful. Start the video around. Alright, see you inside. Ciao. Great drive.